Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my summer Fab Fit Fun unboxing, which I am very excited about. If you guys have been watching my unboxings for a while, you have seen my reactions, both very good and very bad, to different subscription services. A couple that I regularly use on this channel are BoxyCharm and FabFitFun. And with FabFitFun, I'm going to be real honest, I've had really bad boxes and I've had really good boxes, but this is actually the best box I think I've ever gotten. I know that's a bold statement, but I'm pretty sure this is my favorite one. And sometimes with these videos, I try to do the unboxing live on camera so you guys can see my real reaction. But lately I've been doing a lot of PR unboxings on my Instagram stories. If y'all follow me on Instagram, then you've seen those videos. I love doing PR unboxing on Instagram. I feel like the beauty community here on YouTube does not treat PR the way that it should be treated. I don't like a lot of the free shit that YouTubers get or all the free PR that beauty gurus have. I do not like those videos. I think they're condescending. I don't feel like they're very appreciative. They're trendy, yes, but they're just not my vibe. I don't like it. So I would love to hear what your thoughts are on those in the comments down below. I want to hear if you guys love PR unboxings or if you don't like them like me. I've gotten requests to do them on my channel before and I just really don't feel good about it, so I don't want to do it. But if I keep getting requests, then maybe I'll be someone who does them. But I don't think I will, because I really only want to make videos that I want to make on this channel because that's what's important to me, right? So what I'm trying to say is that I've actually talked about this summer FabFitFun box on my Instagram stories already. So I have peeked into it. I did look inside and see what's in here. So I already know that I love it. So I'm very excited. Can you guys tell I'm excited? I have a full cup of coffee in me and I have my big old box sitting in front of me. So I am ready to do this. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription service. So you do get this big box delivered to your home quarterly, meaning seasonally. So it's not a monthly subscription, but you do get it 4 times a year, and it does retail for $49.99. So I will leave more details about that, links and coupon codes, all of that in the description box down below if you guys want to check out FabFitFun. The first impression of this box is also the best impression I've ever gotten. I love this box. It is so pretty. Look at this. I just think it's so summery and cute, and I love the colors. My last box was very yellow, and I can't remember what else, but I do know that this one is so beautiful. I think this is so cute. Isn't it cute? So this box actually said that it's in support of Wildlife Conservation Society, which is great. I'm all about doing a good thing for good people. Every time I do one of these unboxings, you guys, I get sizzle all over my apartment and it drives me absolutely bonkers. So I tried to get rid of some of the extra sizzle and tissue wrapper or whatever. So it's a little less crazy for me. But this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's so pretty. Lots of colors in here. This is the FabFitFun Taste of Summer box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So we've talked about FabFitFun before on this channel, and I've kind of given you my lowdown, my spiel, what I feel about it. With FabFitFun is it's more of a lifestyle marketed box. So you get it seasonally for different things for your lifestyle. So you can get beauty merchandise, you can get lifestyle pieces, a lot of health things, just a bunch of different stuff for that season. And one of the things that I love so much about my summer box is I feel like it is the most well-rounded box that I've ever gotten. And I also feel like all of the things in here are the most attainable to my life. I've gotten things in boxes before that I'm well, that's great, but I don't have curly hair, or you know, things like that that just don't match who I am. And I don't have that problem with this summer box. So I'm really excited about it. The first thing in here is this big old piece right here. This is a towel. My husband is very excited about this. Yes, my husband has seen all of my PR unboxings. Me and my husband are very active in the summertime. We go boating, we go paddle boarding, kayaking, lots of outdoorsy things. So towels are very important in our life, especially beach towels. And this one is beautiful. So this is like a microfiber towel. It's so soft. I think the microfiber will be really, really nice for outdoor activities since it'll probably like wick off the water easier and be easier to use and keep like clean, because sometimes if you keep like a wet towel in the back of your car, it gets like smelly and disgusting. But this one is so cute. I love the pattern on here. Isn't that so pretty? And it's huge, which is great. But it's so soft. I just love the print and the feel of this. This will get a lot of use in my life. There are several beauty items in this box, which I'm all about, but there's also a more like skincare type of beauty items, so not necessarily just makeup. The first skincare item really just like blew my mind that this was in this box. This is the Foreo Luna. So Foreos are a skin cleansing device. You use this on your skin and you use it with a cleanser to help work the product into your skin, to help exfoliate. They're very gentle, very effective. I actually have some of these already, but these retail for $89. So this right here costs more than how much this entire box costs, plus you get a bunch of other stuff in here. So I was super surprised that this came in here. I'm confused how boxes like this even like are in business. Like, how do you guys make any money? I don't understand. You're giving things away for free. It's so weird. But this is awesome. I'm so excited. Mine's pink, but this one's black. So I'm excited to switch to this one when mine dies. I can't get it open. So this facial cleansing brush is actually more of like a silicone sponge technology. So this is very gentle, helps exfoliate your skin without being aggressive. It's something you can use regularly and it's great for all skin types, and it's also hypoallergenic, which is important if you're gonna be using it on your face all of the time. I used to sell these all the time when I worked at Sephora and I thought they were awesome. So I am blown away that this is even in this box. The next item in here is a makeup item, and it's by Tarte. Tarte has been killing it lately. All of their new launches, especially their powder products, have been fabulous. Tarte's always been amazing in like the blush industry, and you know, they've had some good palettes in the past, but now that they've redone their like revamping, repackaging, they got like a new CEO a couple years ago, I believe. Everything is so much better than it was before. Like, I can't even tell you, like, this stuff is so much better. So this is the Tarteist Pro Glow packaging. This is super cute because it opens up in the front. Like a cute little door. And then there's mirrors on either side. So this is a contour palette. How cute is that? So we have 4 highlighters up at the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 2 contours down here. This contoured over here is a cream contour, and then this one is a powder contour. It smells really good. All of Tarte's new powder products smell so good. I'm so excited about this. I love Tarte's new contour products. Their new contour palette, the like highlighter contour, the long skinny one, you know, that one's really, really good. So I'm really excited to use this one. And these highlighters, stunning. Like, that is beautiful. I love a good glow. I love a good contour. I love the smell of this palette. I love the look and feel of this palette. This is amazing. I'm so excited that this is in here. Another skincare item. This is the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. Whew, girl, that sounds good to me. This is an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe. So it's an exfoliator. Is it a cleanser or just an exfoliator? Wet face, massage all over in a circular motion, avoid eye area, rinse clean, use 3 to 5 times a week. I've never heard of Vasanti, but I will tell you guys, I love exfoliators. I love exfoliators a lot. This one looks like it has like little tiny fine granules in here, which is nice, so it shouldn't rip the crap out of your face. Lots of exfoliating products in this box, which makes sense because for summer, you get dry skin, you're out in the summer, you're out in the sun, so you need things to like kind of shed off the dead skin cells and reveal that new healthy glow that the sun has kissed you with. So I'm excited to use this. I love exfoliants. Speaking of sun-kissed, you need your sunscreen. This is the Sport Coola Classic Sunscreen. Coola has amazing SPFs. I really like this brand for sunscreen. Sunscreen is something that is obviously so important for you to use year-round, but especially in the summertime. And I think that not enough people use like good high-end SPFs. Not to say that you can't get good SPFs from the drugstore, but if you're gonna be out in the sun and you wanna take care of your skin and you want to prevent melanoma and you want to prevent anti-aging, or you want to do anti-aging, then you need to use a good sunscreen. So this is an SPF of 50. With it being a sport edition, I'm guessing that it is longer lasting on the skin. It is cruelty free. And what's also cool about this is that it is an organic SPF. So if you are someone who has sensitive skin, a lot of people are sensitive to sunscreens, this would be a good option for you. Let's see here. Look how cute this packaging is. Like, isn't this something that you would want to like put in your beach bag or like take out of your handbag during the summertime? I want to smell it. I always have to smell my sunscreen. Okay, so what's nice about this is that it's very thin. It's not that thick kind of slimy baby sunblock kind of feel. It's really thin, very hydrating. And it smells really nice and light as well. It doesn't have that strong sunscreen smell. It doesn't have any sort of weird synthetic scent to it. It's just nice and light and it feels really, really good. So I'm very excited about that. I'm all about SPF in the summertime. I am all about using good sun care and skincare. So this is a good item to get. All right, we've got a hair product in here. This is a big bottle. This is super cute. This is the Orlando Pita Play. This is the Ados Shield Hair Protectant Spray. So this is a multi-facet shielding complex. Wow. The ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. So this sounds like it's kind of like a leave-in conditioner, preheat kind of item. It's going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees, provides humidity control, shields from environmental stressors, enhances manageability, it helps repair split ends, it preserves shine, smooths hair cuticle, promotes softness, helps maintain color, and refreshes your curls. So what don't you do? That sounds great. Sounds like all the things that I need. I've never heard of this brand before, but I think that this packaging is so cute. I have to smell it. Like I said, you gotta smell it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. That's exciting. And you can use this on dry or damp hair. So if you're like blow drying your hair when it's still damp, or if you want to use it before you straighten it. And I really like products like this just to spray in my hair, even if it's damp, if I'm not going to actually style it. Because it sounds like it has a lot of great other benefits to it as well. So you can use this just kind of as like a leave-in conditioner that will also prevent against heat. So I'm very excited to use this. I love the smell. I got a straw. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. Huh. What's special about this straw? Oh, cute, it has turtles on it. Just a cute little straw, you know, for all of your straw needs. All right, and the last two items in here are a little bit random. This I think is a toe ring. I actually can't figure out if it's a toe ring or not. It's by Earth Jewelry. It looks like a toe ring, right? Because like it's summer. Is that a toe ring? I don't know. I guess you could use it as a regular finger ring. It's just like a little gold ring with little pearls on it. Maybe it's not a toe ring. Maybe it's just a regular finger ring, because I actually feel like these pearls would be really annoying if you were trying to wear this on your foot. But cute. I'm not a big fan of the jewelry that we usually get in these boxes. Like any of like the accessories I don't tend to like really use, but this is cute. Oh my gosh, how cool. So this is the You and I ring. It's 2 natural cultured freshwater pearls. So they're genuine pearls, and it's joined by a 14 karat gold plated ring, which you unite to become Earth's modern take on the to you. Oh gosh. It's a symbol of love, friendship, togetherness, and partnership. Maybe I do like that. Okay, so I totally changed my mind. I'm totally into it. I love that this is real gold. I mean, it's 24 karat gold, but still. And these are real pearls. 2 freshwater, genuine pearls. That's super cool. Actually, you know, I'm into it. I'm into it. I changed my mind. The next item is from Pier 1, which, I mean, I love Pier 1. I'm all about home decor and making your house more organized and more homey. I have more videos coming on that very soon. Hint, hint. But this is so darling. This is a little tray, and it is like a marble printed tray with a gold trim. Isn't that so cute? I think this is darling. This is the kind of thing that you can literally use anywhere. Of course, it'd be a good jewelry collector. I don't know if it's like specifically for jewelry, but like you could use it for anything. I think that this would be really cute to keep by like the sink in the bathroom or by the kitchen sink for when you're doing dishes and things that you can put your jewelry in here, or just to keep by your bed set or organizing your jewelry or just wherever. I think that it's really cute. I like the marble effect and I like the gold trim a lot. So I'm excited to use this. It's definitely something that will get use in my home because this is totally my style. When I first saw that I was getting a Pier 1 item in the box, I was like, that's so random. But when I opened it, I was like, perfect, fits my lifestyle. I love it. Like I said, this is the best FabFitFun box I've ever gotten. I'm excited about every single thing in this item, even my new turtle straw. I can't wait to use everything. I think this ring is actually really, really cute, really charming. I think it's a cool concept. And I'll definitely use that highlight and contour palette. I'm gonna use the SPF, the hair heat protectant spray. I'm really excited about that towel. That's perfect for my lifestyle. And oh my gosh, and the Foreo. How crazy is that you're getting an $89 item in a box that only costs 50 bucks? Like, that blows my mind. That is so cool. And that's something that I think a lot of people don't buy because they're like worried they're not gonna like it and things like that. But it's something that you're basically getting for free, and it's something that anyone could get good use out of. So I am so excited about this box. If you guys have not signed up for FabFitFun, then I do recommend it. I, again, will leave all of those details in the description box down below. And please let me know your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what your thoughts are on PR unboxings, on subscription services, what boxes you guys subscribe to. Please let me know. And please subscribe to this channel if you guys want to see more of me. I would really appreciate your support. Thanks, guys. Mwah.